We have some Nothing news. I saw this story actually, so I'm a little bit familiar with it. Nothing, of course, got these upcoming earbuds, and we have very limited information about them publicly at the moment, other than we have these transparent images that have been shared, these kind of sneak teaser type pics. It's been very shrouded in mystery.
Mm-hmm.
And then this piece of information comes out today because I was very curious about this myself. Like, who and what are you targeting? I realize this is the first product for Nothing, but are you trying to go after the big dogs? Like, are you trying to go after the likes of Apple and Samsung and those price points that are associated with their products? Like, I guess AirPods start at like $150 and then go all the way up for the Pro model, $249. It's such a competitive marketplace. So I was really curious where you're going to line up.
Mm-hmm.
And now we have this piece of information. I guess it comes directly from Carl that it's going to retail for $99. And this news broke on TechCrunch. Now, I think that's a heck of a price point. It's a real healthy, tried and true type of price point. Well, you come in at 99, 2 digits. Everyone knows about the 99.
Yeah, it's a nice little package.
Let's see what else he says. It's going to have leading features like noise cancellation and great build quality. That's what we told TechCrunch. Because we're primarily going to be focused on online sales channels, we're going to be able to make it, I wouldn't say affordable, but quite a fair price to consumers.
It is quite fair.
I don't know why he wouldn't say affordable. I guess it depends on the market, whether like the perception and affordability, but it is.
It's also very competitive.
It's just, let's say it's less than the big name players.
Yes.
Let's say that. It's a much more costly design to realize than a standard non-transparent design. I think it's going to be a good price at 99 USD, 99 euros, and 99 pounds. Feature-wise, it's similar to the AirPods Pro, but the AirPods Pro is $249. Okay, so he is making the comparison to the AirPods Pro. He is saying that piece.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, we have to try them out to see if that's the case. If it is the case, if they are close at all and at a $99 price point, then you have a winner.
Yeah.
And time will tell if that's the case, but it is an interesting tidbit. The other interesting part here is releasing the price in an interview prior to the event is kind of a unique move. I don't know what the incentive is there other than maybe to prime people to say, hey, hold off on purchasing those wireless earbuds because we got something we want to show you at a price we think you're going to like.
Yeah.
And then they tell you the price so that you don't do the other thing. Maybe that's the incentive. But I was thinking, hey, don't you normally save the price to the very end of the event?
Exactly.
Wow,
that's a surprise.
Wow, no. This whole thing about Nothing and this whole thing about the brand has been very unorthodox. It's been very unusual. It's been very mysterious. It's had the integration and involvement with teenage engineering. You got the countdown over here. So, we got to wait and see.
Yeah.
We got to wait and see.
This is a font. Cool.
It's a dot matrix style font that's part of the theme.
Right.
And it's also got the correlation to teenage engineering. There's a whole dot situation with them as well.
Cool.